So I was catching up on my reading in Science Magazine tonight, and I came across a really funny letter to the editor. So I thought I would read it to you all. It's entitled, Who is et al.? Et al.'s work is referenced in diverse journal articles demonstrating technical and research abilities across many scientific fields. Et al. Does work in AIDS research, cancer discoveries, diabetes, geology, anthropology, astrophysics, and even in research on a worm called C. elegans. How does et al. Do it all? I could benefit from having et al. As my next mentor. But who is et al.? If et al. Is a professor at a university, what does et al. Teach? With all the work et al. Has published, maybe I can find et al.'s contact information by researching the Patent and Trademark Office. To my surprise, I find no et al. Listed on any patents or trademarks. I guess et al. Wants all the work to remain the public domain. Now I must really have et al. As my mentor, even if at a distance. Maybe I can find et al.'s contact information on an NIH-sponsored research project. Amazingly, NIH has not funded projects under et al.'s name. Et al. Has more than 10,000 publications on a myriad of topics. So why is that not impressive or sufficiently interdisciplinary enough to receive funding? Does et al. Lack focus in the eyes of peer reviewers? Or are et al.'s projects too ambitious for peer reviewers to fund? I did notice that et al.'s author lines are generally 4th or 6th. Is it the lack of first authorship the reason that et al. Does not receive government-sponsored funding? Is it not that et al. Is an author in all these papers because of supplying key reagents or involvement in patient care? The days of automatic authorship as a reward for providing key components to a project are over. Such individuals are now consigned to the acknowledgement section. I emailed my former professors to see if they know et al., but so far I have not received a reply. Does anyone know where to find et al.? And that was by Richard McDonald. I can see why they published it. Very humorous. So I was picking my nose. Yay.